AccuPoint Advanced HC system is used to verify cleanliness of high-touch surfaces and equipment in hospitals and healthcare settings. The reader measures the ATP contained in a sample and reports the results in relative light units, or RLUs. The reader uses 4 rechargeable batteries, which provide up to 16 hours of operation. An eject button opens the sampler chamber door. The door on the bottom houses ports to recharge the reader and transfer data via USB. A toggle button allows for easy navigation through the various menus and to make changes to the reader. Press the red power button to turn the reader on. At startup, the screen displays the reader's information, and a progress bar displays the status of the self-checks and calibration. Be sure not to move the toggle button during startup. Next, the housekeeper screen appears, with the number of results stored on the reader. You can select a housekeeper now, or wait until the main screen appears. The date and time are on the main testing screen, with battery charge icon, and the record counter that keeps track of the number of readings taken since the reader was powered on. Before a test plan has been synced, the reader displays 3 rows of dashed lines. A test plan must be created using the HC Data Manager before the plan can be synced to the reader. If needed, watch the HC Data Manager video for help creating a test plan. After creating the plan, connect the powered-on reader to your computer. Navigate to the Test Plan Manager tab and click the Test Plan icon, then click Sync to Reader. Next, create your housekeeper list by going to the Test Plan Manager tab and clicking on the housekeeper icon. Click Sync to Reader. After syncing, the test plan and housekeepers will appear. The display shows the 3 main fields: area, room number, and test site. The toggle button allows for movement up and down, and a select feature by pushing the toggle button in. Moving the toggle button guides a blue box around the screen. To make a change, select the field by pressing the toggle button in. The blue box turns red, allowing you to select items within each field, such as area, room number, test site, or housekeeper. Next, toggle up or down to locate the desired item and select it by pressing the toggle button in. The red box changes back to blue. Note, once a site is sampled and the results are synced to the computer, the data cannot be edited on the reader. You must update your test plan in the software and resync your reader with the additions or deletions. If you're using an RFID reader, you can program RFID tags to coordinate with your test plan. Each tag is associated with a room number in your test plan. To program RFID tags, first sync the test plan. Then select Program RFID Tags from the Test Plan Manager tab. Unplug the reader from the computer. Scan the first tag by placing the HC reader's antenna located on the back of the reader near the tag. The screen icon on the reader changes from yellow to green, confirming a tag has been assigned. Then, hang the tag in the predetermined area outside of each room. Repeat this process until all the rooms have an assigned tag. To exit RFID mode, toggle to the stop icon and select it. Finally, reconnect the reader to the computer and in the Data Manager program, select Upload RFID Map on the Test Plan Manager tab. If necessary, all tag assignments can be cleared using the Clear RFID Map feature. Call Neogen before using this feature. To verify that all rooms have been tagged, click Test Plan Manager, and then click on each area and confirm an antenna icon is associated with every room. To ensure maximum shelf life, refrigerate your advanced samplers. Prior to use, the samplers must be warmed to room temperature, which takes at least 1 hour. Samplers can be stored at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. To sample a surface, Remove a surface sampler from its cartridge and outline a 4 by 4 inch square and sample as shown. When finished, return the sampler to the cartridge. Holding vertically, fully depress the sampler to activate, and while keeping it vertical, gently mix for 2 seconds. After activating, you must immediately open the sampler door, insert the cartridge, and close the door. Hold the reader vertically while reading. The reader automatically runs the test to determine your results. The reader displays in relative light units, or RLUs. Based on your test plan thresholds, a passing result is in green with a check mark. A marginal result is in yellow with a question mark. And a failing result is in red with an X. Once a test plan is synced, you can test sites in random order by navigating to the site field and pressing the toggle button to turn the box red. Then move the toggle button up or down until you see the word random and select it. This randomly selects a site within the area and room number shown. Previous results can be reviewed by toggling to the record count field. Press the toggle button to enter the field. Toggling up or down within the field displays test results since the reader was powered on. To exit data review mode, toggle left or right. To charge the reader, plug the power supply into an outlet, then connect to the reader's charging port. A charging indicator icon appears until the reader is fully charged. For best results, charge for no more than 2 hours. Longer than that can shorten battery life. Use only the provided AccuPoint Advanced charger. Only use NIMH batteries and make sure they're properly oriented before charging. Insert the 2 batteries on the left with the positive terminal facing up and the 2 on the right with the positive terminal facing down. Important, do not use alkaline batteries. Recharging them will damage the reader. During normal operation, notification icons may appear. Common icons are the blue thermometer, meaning the reader is too cold for proper testing. Red thermometer means the reader is too hot for proper testing. Sampler icon means a sampler was left in the chamber. Low battery, indicating batteries need recharging. Open door. This should only appear when a sample is placed into the reader. The AccuPoint Advanced HC reader also features a power saving mode. The display dims after 3 minutes of inactivity and turns off after 15 minutes. To return to active mode, simply move the toggle button. You'll find several utilities on the boot menu. To access it, with the reader off, hold the toggle button down, and while holding down, press the power button for 1 second. Here, you can lock out the date and time to prevent accidental changes during use, disable the power saving feature, perform a factory reset, or adjust the brightness of the display. The following are important part numbers when ordering. If you have any additional questions, please contact Neogen. Click here for information on using the Data Manager HC software.